Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have over here. This is a solar light. And we're gonna set this thing up. It's like a pole mounted kind of light thing. And check it out. It's a solar street lamp, super bright kind of thing. So we're gonna set this up. And we have some areas in our front yard which are ridiculously dim. So we're gonna set up this and it'll light up our little parking area in the front yard. So it's got lots of plastic on it here. Does have a charger. I guess I could charge it with that if I really want to, but we are going to rely on solar. Now, there's a lot of plastic on here, but not anymore. Okay, so that's going to be it here. This is going to go here. It's going to mount on top of a 2-inch pole, and let's see, where is it going to go? It's going to go there and turn, yeah, and then it'll mount like this on top of the pole and get the sun there to charge it, and then this will be the on-off. So there's the sensors on it now. I don't know where the sensor's at. Tell if it's going to be on. Oh, and there. So that's what it's going to look like when it gets dark. It's going to be nice and bright. So how cool is that? And then we can also connect it up with the, I have it there, with the remote control. So I can say here with the remote control, I can go make it less bright or auto or 3 hours or 5 hours, brighter, less bright, whatever I want to do. Actually, it's not doing anything because there's no batteries in it. But thankfully, I've got batteries right here. It came with batteries, which is nice. Don't recommend necessarily using your teeth, but works for me. Okay, there. Now I can do the different settings for it. I guess that's making it dimmer, and that's making it brighter. So, cool. Oh, that's dim and bright. Whoa, that's pretty dim. Yeah, that's pretty bright. And then off. So, works. Cool. And then we can also plug it in and charge it with this. So, I like it. Thumbs up, and hopefully in one of these corners, you actually are seeing it in the dark, lighting up stuff. Okay, check this out. Now my whole little area lights up over here. This is great. I need to make sure it stays on a little bit longer. I have a lot of construction going on here, so that's why I have that. But look at that. Otherwise, it would just be dark. But now we have some light. That is really nice. Look at that. Track some bugs. Let's see, and I can change the brightness, I think, with this, right? Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, the brightness, yeah. I can make it dim, and I can make it bright. Very cool. I like it.